I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I'm going to give you a move up today. But first things first, I need for you, do me a couple of favors. Text 313-131 using keyword KENYAFIED. That's KENYAFIED. If you want me to send you a move up today or some inspiration or some tips to your phone Monday through Friday. So definitely text me right now. Also, too, if you try to lose 60 pounds in the next 3 months, you trying to star on that show called The Young and the Poochless because there's no pooch I can't get rid of. And you want to shut down rooms for breakneck strap jobs because, again, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. Get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. And I'm going to personally coach you. That consists of the 2 supplements, the ketone, which basically covers your appetite, and the Brazilian burn, which burns stomach fat, love handles. And then on top of that, it's $98, but on top of that, I'm going to become your accountability coach for free. And I'm going to give you the online workout program for free. So take advantage of that. Or if you just want to try the online workout program for 7 days, try the 7-day challenge. Go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. You'll see enter here. So look, I got something for everybody today. Now, let me give you your move of the day. Oh, also too, don't forget to give me the thumbs up on this video and make sure you subscribe. Click the bell. Click see all so you won't miss nothing, because I don't want you to miss nothing. So let me give you your move of the day. Give me 20 of these. So what I'm going to need, you'll be here. So actually, let me drop my feet down. So you're going to give me a tricep extension here, okay? So you're going to work your triceps, boom, and then you're going to give me a sit-up, boom, just like that. So it's 1, boom, 2, boom, 3, boom, 4, boom, 5. So you're working your arms and you're working your abs. Get me 20 of these bad boys. And if you got me, in the comment section, say I got you, coach. And then once you've done it, hit me back with #done. Again, put it in the comment section. I know y'all like to do it during the live chat, but make sure you put it in the comment section below the video, because I like looking at that. I check it all the time. Now, life homework. Today is what I like to call the no challenge. I'm not talking about what you know. I'm talking about learning how to say no. You run yourself ragged all the time, and you're tired all the time because you let people use you. I'm going to help you, and I'm going to encourage you to start learning how to tell people no. You can say it in several different languages. English, no. Spanish, no. German, no. I think there's 100 million ways you can say no. I need for you to learn how to start saying no. Here's the deal. If it's not anything that's moving you closer to your goals, tell it no. Not today. If it's not going to help you, if it's not going to accelerate your progress closer to your goal. See, I'm an intentional person. I need for everything to be intentional. I need for your life to be intentional because, again, you're a pop star. You're a P-O-P. That's a person on purpose. So I need for you to live out and I need for you to stay on your purpose. Anything that takes you away from your purpose, wave it away, please. Wave it away. It don't have no business here if it's not serving you and if it's not moving you closer to your stuff. So tell it. No, let me give you some situations. Hey, I need for you to watch the kids this weekend because I'm trying to go out. No. Hey, can I hold $100 until payday? No. See how I did that? See how easily I did that? No. So work on that today. It's no Thursday, baby. So look, if you got me, say I got you. And if you needed to hear that, and that was for you, say, Coach, you were talking to me because, you know, I overextend myself way too much. Put in the comment section, you talking to me, Coach. Because again, you don't need to be leaving yourself crumbs at the end of the day. I need for you to have the whole pie. I just don't need for you to leave yourself crumbs because that's what you do all the time. You do all this work, and by the time the end of the day comes around or the end of the week comes around, you have nothing to show for it because you've overextended yourself and you've overextended your life. I'm going to need for you to reclaim and take back your life. How about that? So, love y'all. You got your move of the day. You got your life homework for today. So, let's dominate this here day. Make sure you get the Super Stomach Shredder membership because I look forward to coaching you personally. Oh, also, too, congratulations to Denisha Wynn, who has lost 21 pounds in under 3 weeks. Let me say it again. Under 3 weeks. And there's a fleet of Denishas out there who are on pace to lose 20 to 30 pounds in the next 30 days. So why not you? So if you trying to go poochless and you trying to shut down rooms and you trying to be banging this spring and this summer, get yourself KENYAFIED. Let's get it. Love y'all. I'm gone.